What's going on, guys? My name is Cody Mitchell. Just making this quick testimonial on my boy Leon. Leon is legit. I'm gonna just go ahead and get that out the way. He's not your typical guru. I met up with Leon a few months ago. I met up with him on Facebook, and you know what I'm saying, through conversation, I actually decided, maybe I should try his mentorship, because at this point I was already at like the brink of just quitting Amazon, because one, I wasn't getting products fast enough. Two, I couldn't find good suppliers. I was just getting no's left and right. Like nobody was doing business with me. And the suppliers that I already had were backed up, like from last year type stuff, because of COVID. So after talking to him and doing his mentorship, and actually putting some effort into what he was teaching me, I actually doubled my business from what I was already making. I ain't gonna put no numbers out there, but anyways, I just wanted to put that out there that Leon, thank you for your help. I appreciate everything you've done for me, man. Peace.